Hello everyone, this is Amir from Chemistry. Today I'll show how to divide your any particular drive, or you can add a portion of drive from some other drive. Like for this is one already full, so I need additional space here, and I can get some space from this drive. So I will show step by step this process, and this is the life-saving picture because sometime our C drive showed almost full. On that time we need additional space. On that case we don't have to format the C drive, we can just add a portion of other drive. This is really life-saving because earlier I faced this situation, and we will show also how to divide a drive, H drive, we can make it a 2 drive. I'll show it step by step. So let's make it from beginning. At first we have to go to my computer. For this we can use File Explorer, or you can just directly go to your my computer. This is my PC. So from here we will go to, by right click, manage. So actually this is the main thing in this tutorial, disk management. We'll go to disk management, and in my computer there are 3 hard drive. One is here, one is here, and one is here. So I will show by this drive. This is the H drive, as I have some space here. At first I will make it 2 drive. For this we'll go to shrink volume, and I will make it in 2 drive. Shrink it. Just follow it. I have divided my 400 GB to 200 each, almost 200 each, but there is no additional drive yet created, as this is the unallocated. So I will create another drive. Just new simple volume, next, nothing else, next, finish. So you can see there is a new drive. So I have just shown how to divide a drive. Now I'll show how to add these 2 drive. So for this we have to delete this one. Just delete volume. Okay, there, this is gone. Now I will add this 2 together. Extend volume. Next, this is the amount. Next. This is very simple, and our job is done. Just refresh it. It's 410. So by this way we can divide any drive, or we can enlarge our drive from a space from other drive. But you have to do this within a single drive, as there is a 3 drive. There's 1 drive, 2 drive, 3 drive. You have to make it within a drive. So this was our tutorial, and this is very simple tutorial. We do this kind of useful tutorial frequently, so for this type of tutorial please stay with us. Thank you for watching. See you next time.